This video has gathered over 23 million views, and this clip has reached more than 13 million views, while this one has accumulated over 8 million views. What do all these clips have in common? Well, they evoke emotions to the point of tears for some people, and this strong sentiment makes the video highly engaging and recommended on TikTok, YouTube or even Instagram Reels. In this video I will show you how you can create such content using Flixier and ChatGPT. To succeed on TikTok, you don't necessarily need to reinvent the wheel. It's enough to recreate something that works very well. However, when I say recreate, I don't mean copying it exactly. I mean reinventing that video and even making it better. For this example, we'll use a fairly popular TikTok account in the emotional niche. We'll go to the Swole Dad Nation account, then enter the To My Son playlist. Next, we'll open the first video, copy the link, then go to Flixier.com. Click Get Started, create a new project in a 9:16 vertical format, select Import and click on Link. Here we'll paste the link we copied from TikTok. After the video has loaded, right-click and select Generate Subtitle. In just a few moments, our subtitle will be generated, and now that we have the subtitle, we'll go to the upper right corner, select Text with Timestamps, and download the text. Now we have the text from this first emotional video. We open ChatGPT and here we'll use the following prompt. Hello, I will provide you with some emotional and motivational texts and you will read them, understand the style in which they are written. If you've understood, please say read to receive the first text. Once ChatGPT has understood the prompt, we'll provide the first text from our video. But before pressing enter, we'll say this isn't all. I'll give you a few more examples of texts. Please say read if you've understood the first text. Now we need to repeat the process in Flixier, delete what we have on the timeline so far, go to import, then link and return to the TikTok account where we copied the link of the second video. After obtaining the text, we'll go back to ChatGPT and provide the same prompt, specifically the text, and at the end, this isn't all, I'll give you a few more examples of text. Please say read if you've understood the first text. Providing between 5 and 10 texts is recommended to help ChatGPT better understand the writing style. When you've reached the point of providing the last text, you will need to change the prompt. So you'll give the text and then say, now that you've analyzed the writing style, please provide me with a text about my father in a very emotional style, and it should be no more than 600 characters. From now on, ChatGPT can provide us with as many emotional texts as we desire. Of course, you can replace dad with daughter, let's say, or any other idea you have. Now, let's move on to the final step, creating the video. We'll go back to Flixier, delete everything on the timeline, but this time we'll go to import, then text to speech. And now we'll copy the text generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Flixier. We just need to choose a voice. Since we're talking about that, this time we'll select a child's voice and we'll choose Justin. Now click on import and we have the audio part. Next, go to stock and here we'll search for a video featuring a dad. Select one you like, then arrange it on the timeline and frame it as well as possible on the screen. Now choose shapes from the menu on the left and select a square, which we'll expand to cover the entire screen. Choose the color black and then reduce the opacity of this object to around 50%. Now make sure the object appears throughout the entire video. This is easily done by dragging it on the timeline. Now we have the audio and the video, but we just need to right-click on the audio file and select Generate Subtitle. After a few moments, we have the subtitles. Now we need to customize it. For this example, I'll use the rounded preset. Frame it nicely on the screen and then increase the font size for readability. Pro tip, you can select Safe Zone on the right to ensure your text doesn't overlap with the areas where it can be read. Now our video seems ready, but it needs one more thing, an emotional soundtrack. So go to YouTube and search for Deep Waters by SBG. Copy the video link, then go to Flixier and import it using the link option. After the video has loaded, right-click and detach the audio. Delete the video, leaving only the audio. In the end, you'll need to trim both the audio and video files to match the length of the audio generated by ChatGPT. Finally, all that's left to do is export the video, which should look like this.
Dad, your strength and love have shaped me into the person I am today. Your guidance lights my path, and your presence warms my heart. I am forever grateful for the gift of your fatherhood.
I hope this video helps you reach your first million views. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just as interesting or even more so than this one. Until next time, happy editing.